everyone, how are you? So, welcome to your English class. So, this is English grammar class. Okay, so let's start. First of all, open your book and listen to me very carefully. Open your book and notebook also. This is your grammar right book, class 5th. Open the first chapter, and the first chapter is a sentence. So let's start. This is your work. The eagle soared high. This is assertive. So write here A. And the next is Byanika in her room. Yes. Question mark. So interrogative and exclamatory. So exclamatory. There is also exclamatory. And now lesson. This is a statement sentence. So A. Note down in your book. And next exercise, underline the subject and circle the predicate. Okay, here comes the train. The train, underline. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the subject. The boy with the lamp, this is the subject. The boy with the lamp. The sun is the subject. My mother has a very good memory. So my mother, the line. Mohan was playing basketball with his friends. So note down in your book. Now next exercise. So this is tick the correct. Okay, Dhoni is John's brother. It will be interrogative. So make it interrogative. Is Dhoni John's brother? Right. Is Dhoni John's brother? I am thin. Am I thin? Am I thin? Rohan plays every day. Rohan plays. So does Rohan play every day? Does Rohan play every day? Next, it was an easy exam. It was an easy exam. Shreja looked happy last night. So did Shreja look happy last night? The first correct. Okay. Now next, read this sentence. Pay attention to the highlighted words. You cannot click photographs. Can you? The question tag. Can you? Say if there is a negative, so next will be positive. If there is a positive, the next will be negative. Mary will not come with us. Will she? Will she? Because there is not, so will she? So now let's start. The right question tag. The first is Nancy can't. It means cannot. Okay, Nancy cannot keep quiet. So can she? Where is positive? Can she? Yes, positive. Can she? We had not been rude. Had not. So where is positive? Yes. Had we? The answer is had we. He was not quite angry. Was not. So was he? The positive. Was he? I should not ask him for help. I should not ask him for help. So should not. Where is should I? Yes. Should I? It was not. Was not. There is negative. So where is positive? Was not. Was it? Yes. Was it? They were not. Were not, there is negative. So where is positive? They were not late. Were they? Were they? They won't invite us. They will not invite us. So will they? Will they? Yes. We were not there. Were we? So where is were? Where is positive question tag? Were we? Yes, B is the correct. Next, it is not too hot. It is not too hot. So it is not. Is it? Where is the correct answer? And she has not told you. She has not told you. So now make it. Do it with yourself. Okay? She has not told you. The answer number is yes. So correct. Draw lines like this, and this is your matching has complete. Now next exercise. Page number 7. So open your page number 7 to complete this sentence with the correct question tag. So write here correct question tag. I was not. There is negative, so was I. I was not. He was not. Was he. She is not. Is not means is she. We cannot means can we. So write here with your with pencil. Can we. They have not. Have they. They have not. Have they. And the most important thing, the question tag. Yes, question mark. Yes, like this question mark. Don't forget it. He won't be. Will he. Will he. Okay. Next, she did not come first. She did not come first. So, did she? Yes, did she? This is so easy, and note down in your book and notebook also. You should not make noise. Should not. Should you. Should you. Yes, this is correct. It is not very far. It is not very far. So is it? Is it? He is not very far. He is not very sick. So he is not. Is he? Is he? Now rewrite your in your notebook and book also. Now next exercise is change page number 6. Change the sentence into interrogative sentence. Interrogative means question mark sentence. So her name is Jishan. Her name is Jishan. So her name is Jishan. Is her name Jishan? Is her name Jishan? They are Indian. So are they Indian? Are they Indian? Yes, verb. Shania is not at home. Is Shania? The weather change every day. Weather change every day. The question tag is does. So right here, does the weather change every day? Does the weather change every day? Does the weather change every day? Lavi choose the right option. So did Lavi choose the right option? Okay. Disha went for a jog this morning. Did Disha go for a jog? So this is your HW. It means homework. Okay. You have to write with yourself. This is your homework. And this is enough for you. Okay, bye.